welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making slime. Red to be in fact. So what I'm going to be using is baking soda, which this isn't baking soda. Baking soda's right there. Contact solution. Food dye. Actually, I'm going to tell you what you need, which that stuff. Then you need food dye or any type of dye that you want to put in your slime. And then you're going to need, this is how you make slime felt activator. Then you need glue, a bowl, and a spoon. And you add about this much of baking soda. You might add 2 of these if it's a really big slime. And then you add some contact solution to make slime felt activator. So, the slime might be called Cherry Swirl. I just made it out of a YouTube video. I forgot to title it, but I made this slime right here. So yeah. And I'm using Elmer's white glue. Okay. It wasn't even that much, guys, just I didn't want really a big slime. So yeah. Alright, now we're gonna dye it. Okay. There's like 1 drop of red left, so.
It's fat ears, she should be able to hear.
Oh my gosh. Guys, there is some in it. I can see it moving. What's there?
I was saying usually she does look up sometimes.
Hang on, guys.
She's tired. Look at that face. You know she's tired. That face looks so stupid. When she's awake, she doesn't look like that. Face is all smushed and wrinkly.
Come on. Die. Okay. I guess we're going to get a very light red. Let's see if this will make it color. It's barely anything. Okay. Oh my god. I'm using the same spoon, so I'm going to wipe it off on my paper towel. Because who needs to waste another spoon whenever they can use the same one? Oh, it is turning red, actually. Oh, it's turning pink. I made pink. It's going to be called Cotton Candy Swirl. It's like a light baby pink. It looks so pretty. I'm going to go show my mom, guys, look how pretty. Hey, Mommy, look how pretty the color is. So there was like very red dye left in here. It's going to be called Cotton Candy Swirl. Alright, guys, so I already have a name for my slime, Cotton Candy Swirl, because I like to name them. So, now we're going to add some contact solution. Why is the lid like off? Okay. That's good. And now we're gonna go get some baking soda. Hang on, guys. Alright, now we just gotta stir it. I learned this last night. I mean, I knew that you can make slime with contact solution, but the last time I tried it, it didn't really work out for me. So, yeah. And I'm happy that I tried again, because then I wouldn't have the slimes that I'm making right now, or the slimes that I have beside me if I didn't figure this out. And it really helps more whenever you add baking soda to it. That's what really helps it a lot. So you need to add baking soda to make it like really good. Oh, that's still kind of sticky. Might need to add a little bit more baking soda, but I'll keep on stirring because that's what I did with the tropical smoothie, and it turned out perfect.
put it back in the sea.
Oh gosh, my arm's hurting. That's what I swear he said to Mama. Alright guys, so now that I'm just this is what it's looking like. It's still a little sticky. And I mixed it a little bit more. If you add too much baking soda, it will just turn into a hard slime. I added too much baking soda to one of my slimes. I threw it away. It was not good at all. And that was the first one that I made last night. So that if you guys are wondering why I'm not adding any more stuff to it, I don't want to over-activate it. Whenever the bowl starts to look like this, that's whenever you know it's like basically done. And you need to start mixing with your hands. But it's still a little kind of like sticky. So I think we will add just a little bit more baking soda. Because like... Alright, I'm just going to get a little bit, guys.
Oh, Jesus, help!
What?
Over your nose there! Oh my God! No, it went
Sorry
out
guys, they're cleaning up the litter box. I'm just adding a little bit more. Okay. I hope I didn't add too much baking soda to my slime.
That week, I promise. I don't think Grace did it at all. I don't know what you heard.
No, it's still a little sticky. I'm gonna keep on stirring it, guys. Normally it doesn't turn out like this. What the heck? Maybe I need to add a little bit more contact. Just a little. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna mix with my hands now, guys. Because it's getting a little bit less sticky. You good, man? Alright. Now, some of the extra that I added in. Are you okay, Liam? Okay. Look how pink cotton candy it is.
This is a very cool experiment to try at home yourself, and of course I am looking at this effect under a microscope. So
And look how clean my bowl is. Alright guys, I'm gonna toss it. Oh, look at my down bowl and kind of see them. I'm gonna toss it back and forth a little bit, because that's what helps slime a lot. Be less sticky. Let's see if we can make a bubble, guys. Ooh, bubbles.